Okay, it is that time, finally. Uber's here. I'm taking Uber to pick up the car, the new vet, aka Sid 2.0. Uber's here, so we are going for a little ride and finally get to have a little bit of my old happiness back. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay, so we're in the Uber right now and we're headed to Round Rock to watch the unloading of Sid Part 2. So, yeah. I haven't been over to this part of town in a long time. I used to live over here about 5 years ago, and so a lot of my friends are still here, but this will be cool. Let's see. Just in time for the vet.
This red Corvette?
No, it's the blue one. It's up top.
Gosh. I'm choose the old cars. I love old cars too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's up there.
Yes, it's up right where he is going.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see.
Yes, okay.
Well, there we go. Yeah, sure. Oh, crap. It's already started recording. Yeah. Yes, please. Oh, is that a jacket? So that's there. Oh, that's someone else's. That's not me.
No? Sure.
Hey, brother. Yeah, it's not me. Oh, it must have been someone from the last car, from the last drive.
Oh, maybe.
Okay, let me grab this stuff for you. Thanks, sir. You too. Okay, we are here. This is awesome. This is freaking awesome. You know, I had to record it, right? I know. Wow. Let's see how this works.
The valves are closed right now.
Are they closed? Woo, that makes me nervous. Look at that. Woo, shit.
You're good.
Okay, that's good. Oh my God. Leave it to me to be almost out of fucking battery. Oh. I haven't used this camera in a long time, and apparently it loses charge when it's not being used.
Oh, wow.
But I do have a portable charger with me.
Needs a watch.
Yeah, I was going to say, it needs a bath.
Well, because it got wet in the rain, right when they were loading.
Yeah.
And what a pretty car, Daryl.
It is gorgeous. Thank you. That was my dream color. That was the original color.
My mom.
And I could not find it, so I bought silver for my first vet, or first C6 vet.
Yeah. Yep. I think, you know, PPF, paint tracks, and all that stuff, you can make the thing fucking just clean.
That is the plan. Hey, brother.
Good, yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel like this trailer's been here. Does your company have more trailers? That would be something. Somebody in your company called.
Definitely needs a bath.
I think that's a good trailer. Awesome, man. That's your X pipes in there, so.
Oh, it's right there?
Yeah, it's back there.
Oh, wow, that's a big one.
Threw in a car cover too.
Oh, no shit. 'Cause I was looking for that car cover. I had one, and, you know, just continue like everything with these cars.
Yep.
And I searched the internet and then GM parts store and supply. No one had it.
Yeah.
Wow, that was nice of him.
Yeah, and it's an OEM car cover. You can see right back here.
I wonder if it's
Corvette
Z06
logo on
branded
there. You know.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, I'm gonna move it up there.
Okay.
And then I gotta go get state inspection stuff done.
Go.
You do your work stuff.
Yep.
And then I'll come back. It'll take me about an hour or so. I gotta get him started on loading his car. And
Cool.
I'm gonna run do the state inspection on this thing, so.
Sounds like a deal. Let me check out the, what do you call it real quick?
There you go.
I think it's
Factory.
It's probably the regular one. It's not the Z06 branded one, which is still fine.
Yeah.
Yep. That's awesome. Yeah, it's probably that one. Valves are open. I love it. It's a bigger cam than my last one, and no lurch at all.
Yeah. The tuning is the key part. It's good tuning.
Yeah.
It tunes beautifully right now.
TPS did a good job.
Yes. It's not lurching.
And we're in loud mode, right? I love it. Boy, that's good looking. That is so hot. Yeah, I'm a lucky boy. All right. Man, those tires look brand new. It's already really low. Those tires look brand new, man.
Yeah.
The tires look brand new. I feel guilty buying brand new tires, but they're Toyos. So.
That's what I said. Wait till your new wheels come in. Put the Toyos directly on the new wheels.
Oh, I'm putting the new tires on this one immediately.
Oh yeah.
I think. Well, yeah, I'm already have the appointment. I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna take these tires and store them, and then put them back on these wheels when I order the other ones. I just want the stickiness for now. And then I'll just keep all this set at home and swap them out.
Go in?
Yeah.
Inspection? Jump on it? Go get it straight. Right back.
Let's do it. Let's go for a quick ride and do a state inspection. So you don't think the evap issue will be a problem? No major cuts?
No,
Nope.
you just need, if you would push that mirror out for me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just need one not ready. It's acceptable. Everything else is already set. And it may just be that it just needs to get driven, you know?
Yeah.
See what I mean? It's not surgy and lurchy. I love it.
My other one was surgy. I liked it actually, but
I'm saying the drivability part of it. Tuning down low is very hard. Tuning up high is very easy.
That's why. Yeah, I can't say that the tuners
There's
are
only
the
one
best.
tuner in Texas that I know that can tune low stuff, and that's Pat G in Victoria. Justin's friends with him.
Oh yeah, that guy.
He's the only one that I would trust tuning down low.
But it's hard to do the well, you have a trailer, but I don't have a way of getting it there and tuning it, you know, and then take it back.
No.
I'd have to drive it.
I would not mess with this tune right now unless you're doing something crazy to it.
Yeah.
I would just leave this tune alone and just enjoy it.
Yeah.
Great driver. He makes so much good power down low. Beautiful.
I'll take that advice because I had so many issues with the last car and all the different tuners touching it and the different mechanics touching it.
Right.
Because one place would do an upgrade and then break something and then not want to fix it, you know, not warranty it, and then I got to take it somewhere else. They fix it and then they break something, and it was this endless cycle.
Yep.
Would you believe this? My last one was in the shop for 3 years solid.
Oh my God.
It spent more time at a shop than me owning it.
You know, you won't believe this, but Justin told me this like 2 days ago when I told him your car's finally getting loaded and on the way. And he said, can you please tell Daryl not to break it?
Yes.
Because he said his last one was just in the shop the whole time. Can you please tell Daryl not to break it this time?
I didn't break it. It was the other guy.
Yes, but I'm saying like
Yeah.
the want to modify it more and more and more is
Yeah.
how cars end up breaking.
That's true.
Because you get some shit mechanic that doesn't know what the hell they're doing and they end up breaking.
That's right. That's exactly right. That's why I'm like, I love the fact that this is already done.
Yes.
I wouldn't have even gone into the bottom end had the original 427 not blown up.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I'm not fucking with that. I will take your advice.
Yeah.
I am not the guy that is hard-headed. You know, I don't need to go to the moon to know there's no oxygen, right? I will lean.
Smart man.
That's right. Stand on tall shoulders. I've never been that guy. Man. So do these things have? Do you remember? Well, you've got one, so you know. Is there an aux in to this? So I can play music.
What's up, man? How you doing? Terry's got my shit already, you know. So, how are you doing today? Good to see you. Another fun one. Another fun one.
The inspection is done and we have passed. Is that quiet mode? Thought so.
I didn't want them to scream over the car while they were working on it, you know?
Smart man. Those are the DRS Billenstein shocks. There we go. Yep. Billenstein. Yeah, those Johnny O'Connell sway bars are gonna look sweet because those are yellow also. So front and rear sway bars. Nice yellow accent to celebrate Le Mans wins. All of the Le Mans wins. The color, Le Mans blue, and the yellow of the Johnny O'Connor sway bars. Symbolic of the yellow Corvettes 1-2 finishes in Le Mans back when they used to race Le Mans. Love it. Gotta get this car washed, but that's not a priority right now. Parts first, and then washing. Okay, so they have put on part 1 of the part installs. So part 2 is the side skirts and the front air splitter and the Johnny O'Connell sway bars. This already has DRM Billenstein shocks all the way around. And then the headlights, the Morimoto headlights will go on as well. So I'm going to come back here on Monday morning, get that stuff done. But for today, they did do the blackout here. I'm gonna have to have a detailer put on the stickers, the blackout stickers for the side markers and the tail lights, because I don't trust my hands on that, and their hands weren't real steady either. So I'll get that done later somewhere else. But the blackout is done there as well. And then inside, the fake carbon fiber look. These are on. The new steering wheel is coming, and it already has these as real carbon fiber in it, with the chrome accents that were on the 2013. I ordered a 2013 steering wheel. The whole steering wheel is carbon fiber with Alcantara here, carbon fiber in here in the thumb section. So this, we did the carbon fiber piece here along, and this one here. So this center console is carbon fiber. This one here is carbon fiber look. It's just like I think it's just a stick-on Yeah, it's stick on. So that completes that particular look. Haven't decided if I want to do any carbon fiber on those pieces yet. I might. Kind of like the contrast right now. And then Monday, this head unit is getting swapped out with the Kenwood so I can get CarPlay and whatnot back in here. So, oh, the shifter went with the my low profile shifter. Was already an MGW short shift. I just did a different knob, a short shift knob for it. So, all good. All right, I'm gonna fix that. I'll let them know. I don't know why that's not sticking. All right, that's it. Finally, I get a car. I mean, I don't know why. I'm still used to getting fuel on the driver's side, and I love the fact that I'm back in a vet where the freaking fuel is, or God intended, on the driver's side. I mean, who's driving the car? It ain't the passenger, right? So all the other cars, every one of them, I believe, are on the passenger side. Thank Christ, we are now on the left. Let's see. So he is getting his first bath. I'm not doing it at home because my car stuff hasn't arrived yet. The car wash supplies with the foam thing. Anyway, that's delayed. So I'm having them wash it. And I already have the detailer, really expensive detailer stuff that I spray on and kind of, you know, dry wash. So this will be cool for now. And obviously this car is not going through a car wash ever. I'll do it at home, or it'll get a hand wash like I'm paying for now. Okay, that was exciting. I am back home. I'm so excited to have another C6 Z06 back in the garage again. It's been a long time coming. It's been a full 8 years. I am stoked. All right, I have a lot of big plans and for mods for this thing. That's one of the advantages of the C6 Z06. You can mod that thing for pretty cheap, depending on how crazy you go. Certainly you can tune it. And so there'll be videos on the mods, videos on the tune, videos on the dyno, blah, 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 blah. But anyway, I want to end this like I always do with the PSA on PSA. Please make sure you're getting your regular health checks, your physicals, and make sure that your doctor checks that PSA box, because they won't on their own. You need to remind them and monitor your PSAs. That way you catch it early. I mean, if you get prostate cancer, it's survivable, provided you check it, you catch it early. So that's all I wanted to just harp on. Check that box, and please just remind the doctor, because they will forget. Hell, I even forgot once. So remind your doctor, check that box.